Hello everyone and welcome back to Rice Fix, and in this video I will show you how to replace fuel tank from a Bullet or a Royal Enfield. So come on, let's start the video. So the first thing that you should be doing is you should be putting your fuel cock on off position, which means that your petrol should not flow out from your tank. Then you will have to open your battery compartment. Now this step is not that important, but it becomes slightly easier if we take out this cover to disconnect the fuel pipe from the carburetor. Now how to take out a battery I will show you in another video. At the moment in this video I will be showing you how to remove or replace the fuel tank. So once you open the battery compartment, just pull out the battery a little bit and keep it on one side. Then take a screwdriver and pry out the fuel pipe which comes from the cock to the carburetor. And once you disconnect that pipe, the pipe which you have disconnected, put that end inside of a bottle and put the cock on position or on reserve position and empty the entire fuel tank. You can even take out a tank which is full of petrol, but I will be restoring this tank. I will be painting this tank. That is the reason why I am emptying it. So if you want to learn auto body and painting, then see that you subscribe to my painting channel as well. I will put a link of it in the description. So once you take out all the petrol from the fuel tank, take a 14mm socket, and here under the seat there will be a nut and bolt. You will have to take out this nut and bolt. Now when you are loosening this nut, there are chances that the bolt will also rotate from other side. So if that happens, just put a spanner on the other side and lock the bolt. So here comes out my nut. Now just bang on this bolt and take it out from the other side. Now this cable will come in between, but you will have to bend that cable slightly, and anyhow you will have to take this bolt out completely. So here comes out my bolt, and once you take out this bolt, you will have to come on the front side of the fuel tank, and here there will be one nut and bolt. You will have to take out this nut and bolt in the similar manner, and here comes out my nut. And once the nut comes out, just tap the bolt with a hammer or with anything which you have in your hand, and it will come out easily like this from the other side. Now see that you put the nut back on the bolt so that you will not lose it. And once you take out both this nut and bolts, your fuel tank will be totally separated from the bike like this. So here comes out my fuel tank. Now I will replace the fuel cock. Now to replace the fuel cock, you will need a Allen key. Now use the Allen key and take out these two bolts. And once you take out these two bolts, your cock will come out easily like this. Then you will have to put the new cock in position. So this is my new cock. It has cost me around 365 rupees. This is an original part. I have brought this from the service center. So I will put this new fuel cock inside of the fuel tank because my fuel tank is now painted and is ready to go back on the bike. So put the new fuel cock inside of the tank and put both the bolts back in position. Now on this chassis part where your fuel tank will sit, see that you apply some grease here so that it will not get rusted. Then place your fuel tank back on the bike and then put back both the nut and bolts which you had taken out and connect the fuel line to the carburetor. So with this we are done replacing our fuel tank. So if you like this video, then do like and share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I release my new video. And like this, you will never miss any of my videos. So I will see you guys now in my next video.
I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God.